Traveling with kids can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially when you are embarking on a long journey to a new country or a new destination. But fear not, fellow mamas. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you tried and tested tips for booking kid-friendly flights and navigating airports like a pro. Hello, welcome to Chronicles of a Naija Mom in the UK. My name is Haminat. I am a mom of 3 and I have been in the UK for about 5 years now. On this channel, I share my experience of navigating life in the UK as a mom. If you are new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. I would appreciate if you click on the subscribe button below and turn on your bell notification so you know when I drop a new video. Now, let's crack into it. So the first tip I would share is in terms of choosing the right flight. When it comes to booking flights with kids, not all options are the same. It is advisable to look for non-stop or direct flights to minimize layovers and time spent in transit. Trust me, avoiding multiple connections can save you a whole lot of stress and tantrums. I had experience traveling with my kids while having to lay over, and it wasn't a funny experience at all, especially toddlers. Oh my God, toddlers wouldn't find it interesting to stay in one place. Now, let's not assume that you can afford a direct flight or you don't even have the one that is available for the period you are planning to travel. Well, managing layovers and connections just can be challenging for families, but with a little planning, they can be manageable as well. What I would advise you do is that you seek out airport play areas or quiet corners where your kids can burn off some energy before the next leg of your journey, where they can run around and feel free. The same thing with getting local transport to the airport. One of the things that we usually do now is to find someone, a car or a taxi that will take us to the airport straight away, instead of us having to book a train and stopping along the way. So if you're coming from Nigeria or wherever country you are migrating from, it is important to arrange a direct vehicle that will take you to the airport and have someone that will at least look after your kids while you sort out airport documentation and the rest. That is if you are traveling alone with the kids. But if you are traveling with your spouse, I think that will be very easy. The second one is picking the perfect seat. Seat selection can make or break your in-flight experience, especially when you're doing that with little ones. Consider booking seats where you can easily access the restroom, because trust me, these children will make you stand up at intervals and you wouldn't want to be walking a long distance on the plane just before getting to the toilet. Don't let us have that they might not even make it to the restroom before dropping everything on the floor. If you have a toddler that is yet to be confident with using potty, I would advise that you use a diaper, at least for that journey, to save yourself this headache. And don't forget to request for all those bassinet seats if you are traveling with an infant, like less than 1 year old baby that might want to just sleep, The third one is backpacking. A well-stocked carry-on bag is your secret weapon when traveling with kids. Pick a few surprises like a new toy or coloring books to keep them busy, to keep them occupied throughout the journey and to make them exciting for them. You can pick some medication as well in your bag, like analgesic, in case they develop a fever on the plane or after. Even adults do get sick. I sometimes get sick on the plane. Don't forget to also pick extra clothes. Oh no. On one of our trips, my little one fell sick while on the plane, that she messed up her whole clothes at the last minute just before we landed, and it wasn't funny at all because the whole restroom was messed up. Everyone has gone, come back, the whole place was not looking good again. The plane was already planning to land. So in fact, this is one thing you shouldn't miss. Same with extra diapers. Then the fourth one is navigating airport security. You know how kids would like to run around and all the security checks. Airport security can be a daunting experience for families. So you need to familiarize your kids with the security process ahead of time and consider dressing them in shoes and clothes that are easy to remove to make the process smoother. You can also educate them on why they do security checks at the airport and how they need to remain calm and cooperate during the whole period. Don't set your expectations too high though, they will still be kids. Traveling with kids may seem challenging, but with the right preparation and mindset, it can be an incredible adventure. Remember, Mama, every challenge is an opportunity to create lasting memories with your kids. So book those kids-friendly flights, pack your carry-on bags, and get on to embark on a journey of a lifetime destination, your new home in the UK. If this video has been of great benefit, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share with other amazing mamas out there. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.